Good morning. Welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. We've been playing around with the R1 Pro Raymoto laser for a while. And in the initial video, I showed that you could use it handheld and control it from the app. Today, in this really quick video, I'm going to show you how to quickly upload a file to the device. And then you don't need your phone connected to it or your phone to control it any longer. So you can upload something to it and then walk around and do whatever you need to do as long as you have a long enough power cord. So get my screen recorder running here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we've got the app open. We're going to power on our laser and it should automatically connect because I've got it set to automatically connect. Nope, didn't connect. Okay, that works. So we hit connect to device. You can hear it beep and it connects. Now this is the file I'm working with here. It's just my logo. It just says testing handheld. And I've been doing a lot of testing recently to play with some speeds. But you can set your contrast, you can set your perimeters, your dot durations, which is your speeds. For the text, you could set your text how you want it. Turn our power up a little bit, bidirectional scan mode. So it'll go this way and this way at the same time. So now we want to back up. Well, we want to save it because I changed it. We want to hit upload and upload it to our device. Now we do not need the phone. We're going to set the phone aside. And here we have a piece of oak stair tread. We're going to hold our unit up against it. We can turn our framing on and we can see it framing. And that fast we are engraving into this piece of oak. And now it's doing my logo. The Raymoto R1 Pro gives you nice, clean lines. Very quick speeds. Hardest part doing it this way, holding it up, is so it doesn't slide down your material. I think it moved on me here a little bit. Okay. There we have it. Now we're going to turn this over. We're just going to set it flat this time. And now we're going to burn it a second time. And we didn't have to mess with any programming or anything. Just a start and a stop. And we can stop it if we hit it a second time. And here it goes on the logo. And once you get your speed set the way you want it, you don't have to mess with anything again. Just hit start and let it do its thing. You're good to go. And the height of the yellow shield is perfect focus. You don't have to mess with any of that. And now we have it twice. Like I said, you could start and stop. Turn on your framing, see where you want it. Hold the button for a few seconds to start it. There we go. Oh, don't need that one done that way. Hold the button for a few more seconds, and we stopped it. So, works. The whole system works very well. It is a little different than light burn and what a lot of people are used to. It took me a little bit to get used to how it's set up to work, but it does work very, very well. So, highly recommended. Raymoto R1 Pro if you want a portable laser engraver. So once you get everything connected, get it uploaded, you're only held back by the length of your cord. So I'm sure somebody out there could figure out how to make a battery pack for it. If you do, let me know. I'd like to check one of those out, see how it works. But again, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Send me a message. You can catch me on Instagram, wherever. I'll do what I can to help you. Have a good day.